Getting back from the road, already doing another Skillshare, huh? From frying pan to hot plate. Hello everybody, we're back from tour. We're tired, it's early here in Portland. I don't know who lives like this. And we're doing our 4th Skillshare today with you guys. So what we're calling this one Situation Iteration. Because the idea is that when you sit down and you start a logo, what sort of quick changes can you make to the simplest of shapes to add lots of new aspects quickly, right? I've trained myself to, flip things so many different ways. By the time I get from end to end, that thing is taking on a whole new life for itself with just the simplest of changes. And that's the lesson here. You're building an arsenal for yourself. A quiver. I can pull another arrow out of my back that might be a little bit different than the last one, and that's what we're trying to get at here. So what we're going to try to do today is we're going to try to do sort of an ode to your hometown or your favorite town. And you think about that place that you're from and you boil it down. What's a thing from your town? What's a vista or place from your town? And then what's one of your heroes from there? As you go from the thing all the way to the place, then up to that person, it gets a little more complex with each step. We're gonna make each of those, and you can take those things and really watch them come to life because you're able to put those things together into one little cluster, be it a t-shirt or a postcard or a poster. That's the perfect ode to your hometown. The main thing of this whole exercise here is when you break things down to really simple shapes, you sort of demystify that it's some really complex process. It's not. You have to build each shape, you have to own each shape. And knowing that should license you to say, wow, I can really build anything. All right, so I hope that all makes sense. I'm gonna dig into some of this new merch. All right, look at this. From one stupid hat to another stupid hat. All right, you guys, let's go make some stuff.